A house that floats 7 meters above the ground, 360-degree views, and open pasture below. W House 2 is located in Pak Chong, Thailand on a wooded plot opposite W House 1. Instead of expanding W House Y, the owners chose to transform it into a separate guest house and commissioned IDIN Architects to create a new single-story family home. To achieve sweeping views of the landscape while preserving space for the family's pet cows, the studio drew inspiration from traditional Thai houses, or ruean Thai, which were raised on stilts to mitigate flooding risks. Here, the solution was to lift the house 23 feet off the ground, referencing those traditional Thai houses while giving a modern interpretation to the space below. Now a grassy garden and pasture area. The structure rests on 2 curving concrete walls and a waffle slab that distributes loads with elegance. At the entrance, a metal staircase positioned between 2 concrete walls acts as a threshold between earth and home. Inside, the western side unfolds as an L-shaped social zone where living, dining, and kitchen flow together in an open-plan layout. A balcony wraps around the entire perimeter, offering continuous ventilation and panoramic views. The building envelope is composed of 2 layers, an inner layer of glass and an outer layer of slatted screens that can be opened or closed, integrating privacy and shading into daily life. On the eastern side, another L-shaped block houses the main suite and 2 children's bedrooms sharing a central bathroom. The single-level layout allows family life to take place with visibility and closeness. Exposed concrete dominates both exterior and interior surfaces, revealing the texture of its formwork. To soften this raw finish, warm-toned maple wood spreads across the interiors, while green India stone appears as a contemporary counterpoint in the kitchen. Circulation reveals a variety of scales, from narrow passages to expansive areas, and the interplay of light and shadow is constant. Ceiling cutouts, reflections on water, soft shades over curved walls, and framed views of trees through architectural voids. The experience of W House 2 is one of material lightness with a firm presence, connecting to its surroundings while maintaining protection and togetherness. It's architecture that elevates not just surfaces, but the very way we inhabit space, bridging tradition, modernity, and nature.